Guys, welcome back to another new episode of Sunfried Tech. And as a welcoming back gift after taking a short break due to some personal issues, we're gonna have a fun little project today with this Compaq Evo N610C. So in our initial video, I mentioned that the wireless card down here was damaged, and whenever you try to activate it, the system will blue screen. Well, after doing some digging, getting some part numbers, I was able to get a new card in stock. So today we're going to be replacing this card inside the Evo and see if that takes care of our issue. Stay tuned. Okay, first off we're going to take off this little Phillips screw right here. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to push this button right here. This whole assembly comes out. So this is basically try to get it in view. Okay, so basically the wireless card that attaches here to the system. Take this out. It's just two little screws right here. Oh, my bad. Sorry, autofocus issue. So once that's done, it should just pop out. Okay. And if it, yeah, this is basically the board. They're just giving us a lot of problems, so I'm just gonna throw that off to the side and get our new card here. Okay. Gonna compare this real quick. It's a WA1000, same part number, 291-380-001. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so we got it. We're gonna put our two screws in there. It's actually not even clicking or anything. That's just broken. Well, it's clicking to something. So whatever. I'm not gonna question it. I'm not questioning how that works. All right. So we have this assembled. Gonna slide that back into place. There we go. Okay, let's power it on. Alright, so we just booted back into Windows and we're already getting the found new hardware wizard. So let's see. Yes. Okay, detected the multi-port W200. And let's see. No green light just yet. So I'm really hoping that this is what the issue was, but But now I guess we're back to square one. Okay, that's fine. We're going to look for the drivers, which we've already installed. New audio should be. Hold on. Okay, so I think this is it. So we're gonna, I don't know if this is installing the soft pack, which is just a driver bundle, or the driver itself, but let's see. Still no LED light. And I mean, if this works, then no, Windows delay right. Okay, hold on. Okay, round two. Got an issue there with my my flash drive. No LED light. Actually, we do have an LED. No. Let's see. Majorly hoping that this fixes, like I said, that fixes this issue. And I mean, this would be the perfect dream laptop already. Ooh. Let's do a quick restart. So I guess updates for the channel. I'm back full time now. Trying to get my hands on a couple of older vintage Compaqs. And I've sent out a couple of emails to some possible merchants. One will be the Compaq Despro EN small form factor, and the other one potentially a Compaq Presario 6000. Two systems which I used in my earlier childhood, which are like two dream computers along with this one. So hopefully that's going to be a thing soon for the channel. Oh. No, we don't want that. So unfortunately, I put out this computer in storage for a while, and I forgot that I never had the actual activation for XP Home Edition. So yeah, I had to reinstall Windows XP today. So this is good though. It means we're trying out this hardware on some clean hardware here. No LED. Well, let's see. Oh my god. I don't know if it'll come off on camera, but... Oh, no! Okay. Well, guys, it's been a few hours later, and yeah, she doesn't want to work. But on the plus side, we can eliminate the card as being bad. Since I stopped filming, I have reset basically wiped Windows completely. Tried a couple different drivers, same thing. So according to this IRQ error, it can potentially be a memory issue. They tried swapping the memories from this other parts Evo I have down here. It's in bad shape. Same thing. So I'm gonna keep messing with it, and I'll definitely come back to this. But hope you guys enjoy my huge coming back failure. And well, as always, remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and as always, I appreciate you guys. Thank you.